Good morning, students. I am Komal Agarwal, format teacher of Jharkhand Public Secondary Shikshan Sansthan Tetiari. I am going to start your online class. Today is 24th April, Friday, and listen carefully, student, for class 7th. Today I started exercise 1.2. Firstly, you comes on page number 9, and I explain the subtractions of integers. Subtraction is the inverse of addition. When we subtraction two integers, we change the integer to be subtracted into its corresponding opposite integer and then simply add the two integers. So it's the there a minus b and a plus minus b. It solves the subtractions of integers. Okay, the next point is properties of subtractions of integers. You read almost in previous sixth class, so I can again explain this properties of subtractions of integer. First, closure property: the difference of two integer is also an integers. Property is, if a and b be two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. And second property is commutative property: the difference of two integers does not remain same when the order of integers is changed. If a and b be two integers, then a minus b equals to b minus a. Okay, then next point, third, associative property. This property does not exist for integers. So if a, b and c be three integers, then a b minus c equals to a minus b minus c. Okay, next 4 point, identity element. When 0 is subtracted from an integer, then difference remains the integer itself. When 0 is subtracted from an integer, then difference remains the integer itself. If a be an integer, then a minus 0 equals to a. Okay, then comes on page number 10. Page number 10, exercise 1.2. Okay, first question is, verify the property a minus b equals to b minus a for the following integers. Okay, so first question is 13 minus 8. First integer 13 and second integer minus 8. Okay, so you solve this question 13 minus 8 and write according to property a minus b and b minus a. So 13 minus and bracket minus 8 equals to minus 8 minus 13. Okay, and solve this question 13 minus and minus 8 in bracket and equals to minus 8 and minus 13. Okay, then next line is 13 and bracket open and minus minus solve plus equal 8. 13 plus 8 and minus 8 minus 13 equals to minus 21. Okay, then 21 equals to minus 21. This is verified this property. This is commutative property. Okay, then question 2, subtract the following integers. Subtract the following integers. Minus 16. First question is minus 16 from 12. Okay, minus 16 from 12. You subtract 12 to 16. 12 to minus 16. It's saying minus 16 from 12. So 12 to minus 16. So solve this question. 12 minus in bracket minus 16. Okay, so 12 and open the bracket and minus minus is plus and 16. So 12 plus 16 equals to 28. Okay, then next question number third, write down a pair of. First question is positive integer whose difference is minus 6. This same question, pairs, you make pair of two numbers. Which number? Positive integer. 6 and 12. Those are positive integers. Okay, then whose difference is minus 6? It comes difference in minus 6. So positive integer first 6 and second number is 12. 6 minus 12 is difference comes is minus 6. So this is the pair of positive integers and difference comes as minus 6. So it's your answer. Okay, then next question is question number 4th. As on a certain day, the temperature inside a cold storage was 35 degree Celsius. Okay, then and inside it was minus 10 degree Celsius. Was the difference in outside and inside temperatures of the cold storage? So I again repeat the question and listen carefully and understand this question. That on a certain day, the temperature outside a cold storage, the temperature outside or and a cold storage was 35 degrees Celsius. The temperature outside a cold storage was 35 degree Celsius. Okay, then and inside it was 10 degrees Celsius, and inside it was 10 degree Celsius, minus 10 degree Celsius. Okay, so what was the difference? Both differences in outside and inside temperature of the cold storage. And firstly you solve this question. Firstly question is saying what is the temperature of cold storage, outside cold storage. So the temperature of outside a cold storage was 35 degree Celsius. Then second line is saying the inside it was minus 10 degree Celsius. The temperature inside it was minus 10 degree Celsius. And next asking the question the difference of outside and inside temperature of cold storage. The difference of in outside and inside temperatures of the cold storage. So 35 degrees Celsius minus 10 degrees Celsius, right in bracket. So and next solving this question, 35 degrees Celsius, open the bracket and minus called plus 10 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Celsius plus 10 degrees Celsius, 45 degree Celsius. Okay, and complete this 1.2 exercise. And any problem, any queries, if you can ask me, and remaining question do in your homework. And thank you.